Hey, what's up? Yeah, Reggie Johnson here. Documenting my Python coding experience trying to learn a programming language. I picked Python to learn, and I've been journaling everything that I've been learning. So I'm trying to keep this short. I'm going to turn all this into a blog post that you can read, but I'm trying to give you I'm going to give you the first day last week that I did. I'm going to read it here. So it says, I wrote down, I decided to use Codecademy to start this journey off, but because of the ease of use, you can mostly do it in the web browser. Having learned PowerShell, and in some ways I'm still learning PowerShell, and Bash scripting, I decided to add Python to the list because it's used a lot for scripting and cloud engineering, which is the field that I am in, and having experience with being help desk, then a system administrator, then a system engineer, and now cloud engineer. I thought it best to keep expanding my skill set. First, I have to learn the fundamentals of coding with Python. I have several resources, books, website, and countless YouTube videos saved. But first, I need the basics. So before I move on to any of the other resources that I have, I'm going to start with Codecademy. First lessons were me just doing the famous hello world print function before moving on to other things like syntax and strings. So learning to code isn't easy, but I know it'll be worth it. I also have to finish studying for my Azure AZ 104 exam that I failed the first time. I still have to take that and pass that. Studying for certs has been a constant for the last year or so. I'm trying to keep my skills up to date in this ever-changing market. Stay tuned for more. Later.